Hi friends, welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Today, we'll learn 3 exciting words that begin with the letter C and draw them too. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first word is cat. Let's draw a round head, 2 ears, a cute face, and a curly tail. A cat is a soft, furry animal that says meow. Now repeat after me. C is for cat. Well done. Next is car. A car is a vehicle that takes people from place to place. We'll draw a round shape for the wheels, a body, and windows. Great work, artists. Say it with me. C is for car. Yum! Our last word is cake. Cakes are sweet and delicious, perfect for birthdays. Let's draw a triangle slice, some icing, and a little candle on top. Now say, C is for cake. Blue color, cat. Orange color, car. Pink color, cake. Now it's coloring time. I'll color my cat gray, my car red, and my cake pink with sprinkles. You can use any color you like. Make it bright and fun. Great job, everyone. You learned 3 new words today and drew them beautifully. Cat, car, cake. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back soon for more fun on Kiddo Color Club. Bye-bye. See you next time.